Okay. This is Edward9909 and doing something new in my series called What's in My Stocking Unboxing?
Edward 9909.
Get started. Theater from Alvin and the Chipmunks. I love that movie. It has a lot of judges. Oh wow, I feel bad for Santa Claus. It's from A Year Without Santa Claus, one of my favorite Christmas movies. Sorry, Santa. Oh, it's Karen from Frosty the Snowman and a blue flashlight. And Zoo Crew member. And how I got these is I donated money for the Heart Association.
American Heart Association.
Yeah, thank you, cameraman.
I said
no.
association wrong.
Yeah. You can find out. There's Ono. Yep. Oh no, it's kind of hard for him to. Oh yeah, there we go. Yep. It's Pirate's Pup from the year before the Zoo Crew came out. And Lori 1's flatbed. And yep, here's Lori 1. A pig topping for one of my tubes. Let's put in the back here. I don't know if you can see that. My watch thingy. I can't remember what it's called.
Smartwatch.
Smartwatch. There.
But like for kids.
Thank you, cameraman. Oh, one of the Zoo Crew members. Oh, another Zoo Crew member. Oh, a clip. I'll put that right
Is
there.
that a chip clip?
Yes, I think. Oh, I got a couple stuff. Okay, another Frosty Snowman item, another pup item, and Shere Khan. Shere Khan back there. Thomas Wonder Railway, myself card. Sorry, Shere Khan back there. Foolie from Lion Guard as well. Over here. Yep. Oh, nope. Okay, let's. Oh, yep. I think that'll work. Yep. Oh yeah, Zootopia, buddy. Where do I put him? Right there. Oh yeah, that actually looks kind of good. That looks good. I don't know if you can see him, but oh well. Here's Janja. Oh yep, Janja. Let's put him with Shere Khan because they make a good pair right there, as I think cameraman agrees. Is Kion. Yeah, let's put him with Foolie. Oh, and they're all together. I had no idea of that. Oh, yep. Simon. Talking Simon. Will I get copyright trouble for playing that?
I didn't think so.
Let's not, just in case.
Okay.
Oh, Boomba. It's always good to do something just in case, right? Okay. Let's...
Better safe than sorry, as our mother always says.
Yeah, she doesn't know I say it once in a while, but she does. Oh, yeah. Go, Diego, go. Right there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying not to get my face. That's a good thing. Oh, yeah. Black Jaguar. Try not to get my face in the camera. Hold on, I gotta bring it closer. Okay.
Oh, wait, let's show off your stocking since it's right
Oh,
here.
yeah. I got it for Christmas this year. Merry Christmas from Christmas.
What's next? We can't see it.
Fake money bag.
What?
Right there. Okay.
You can just leave the stocking there.
Cars watch packet. A marker. Red marker.
Looks more pink to me.
Yeah, that's because it's kind of a both. Oh, Karate Monkey. King Louie, I think that's his name.
I think so.
Yep, King Louie. From the Jungle Book. Oh, sorry. See, let me see what this. Oh yeah, it's Rafiki.
Rafiki.
Put him more in King Louie. Oh yeah, Snowball. Talking Snowball. Nick Wilde. Let's put him right there. Oh yeah, it's holding Pumbaa. How nice. Oh yeah, Safari Lantern. Let's put it on top. Oh nope, that's gonna tumble. Oh, yep, Bagheera. No, that's not gonna tumble. Animal collar.
You want to play one of the noises?
I think I might get copyright.
You won't.
Sure.
I think so.
I'll just leave it there.
Okay.
Martin from Wildcrats.
Well, let's close up Martin. Hello, Martin. Just leave him. I'm good.
Yep, let's go.
Hello, Martin.
Reindeer.
Oh, look
Reindeer.
at that reindeer. It's so tiny.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I dropped the camera. Holy crap.
Bunga. Oh. Well, at least he survived.
Did you hear me? I said, holy crap.
Yeah, holy crat.
Because of the Krat brothers.
Yes, I totally get it. And guard to swear. So it makes two senses. Phone/computer.
Bingo.
Burned as well.
FYI, that's an old phone. It doesn't actually have service. So don't worry.
Okay. Chameleon. Target, also from the Wildcrats. I love that show. Oh, Secret Life of Pets. Max's bed. When I find Max, I'm gonna put him there. Oh, Little Snowball. I'm gonna try.
Put him with Big Snowball.
I'm gonna try not to get my face.
You're doing a good job of that.
Wildcrat Squid. Wildcrat's orangutan goes pretty good with King Louie.
Mm-hmm.
That guy looks like actually the Wildcrats version of King Louie.
Yeah.
Max, as I promised, I'll put him right there. Present. This is fun. This is really fun.
Mm-hmm.
Not gonna lie, this is fun. Doing what's in my stocking unboxing.
I like that name.
Chris with Monkey Chris with Porcupine Martin. The Batman watch. Koala. Let's put him right there. Lightning McQueen watch. I know you guys are suggesting I put in here, but oh well. Pangolin, China Pangolin. Let's put him right there. Gold Lion.
We can't see it.
Gold Lion. It's good. Oh, yep. I'm trying not to get my face. Oh, sorry, Snowball. I know it didn't hurt you, but I'm pretty sure they didn't see you. And I wanted to prevent that from not seeing you. Oh, yeah, Skunk. Spotted Skunk from the Sonoran Desert. Let's put him, like, back here so it doesn't sting anybody. For safety for the animals. Golden Lion as well. Another Golden Lion. Put him over here, back here. I think you guys can see that. We're almost done. We're almost done with this. This is actually really fun.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Max's house. Let's put that right there. Yeah, that actually looks pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Wildcat's Pangolin disc.
Pangolin disc. Here, why don't we dump out the rest of the contents in the stocking onto the ground? So then you don't have to keep reaching in. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh! Who's that?
It's, well, Watchy. I just use him as a locket, though. I just use him as a locket. A long time ago, I named him, Dad gave me this because he grown out of it, and
We named it Watchy.
And I named it Watchy, so I named Dad's new gray watch that he hasn't worn in a while, the Watcher.
Mm-hmm.
Watchy, Watchy.
So here's everything that was in Patrick's stocking today.
Yes, and we'll see future episodes of What's in My Stocking unboxing. So bye, everybody, and I'll see you real soon for season 2 as well.
Adios.
Adios, amigo.